For a clean, beautiful, affordable, and comfortable place to stay, whether for a short visit, a business trip, or a weekend getaway, or even a vacation, then you are in the right place because today I am taking you on a tour on one of our amazing shortlet apartments that is designed to make you feel right at home. Welcome to Hannah's Property Hub. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by on this channel. I share beautiful apartment tour, shortlet options, and property updates, and helpful tips to help you find your perfect place to stay. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now, let's get into today's apartment. As you can see, this apartment is clean, spacious, and thoughtfully furnished to give you both comfort and style. The living area is cozy and perfect for relaxing. After a long day, whether you are here alone with your partner, family, or friend, you will have plenty of space to unwind. The kitchen comes fully equipped with everything you need. If you prefer preparing your own meal, the bedroom is designed for maximum comfort with comfortable bed, fresh beddings, and a peaceful atmosphere that help you rest and recharge. The bathroom is neat, modern, and well maintained because we believe every guest deserves a clean and enjoyable experience. One thing we pride ourselves on is providing our guests with a home away from home experience. We pay attention to cleanliness, comfort, and excellent customer service to ensure your stay is smooth and memorable from check-in to check-out. Whether you're visiting for a business celebration, a special occasion planning, or a staycation, or simply need a comfortable place to relax, this apartment is an excellent choice. We are committed to making every stay worth your time and money. If you enjoy apartment tours like this, stay connected because I will be showcasing more beautiful properties, hidden gems, and amazing shortlet apartments right here on Hannah's Property Hub. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and share this video with your family and friends. If you're interested in booking this apartment or you did like to make an inquiry, all the contact details are in the description below. You can also check the pinned comment for our phone number and booking information. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next apartment tour. Bye.